Welcome. Today we're diving into an exciting journey through Bali, and let's explore the wonders that await us. Our first stop is the magnificent Uluwatu Temple. This is a 5-minute video about the top 10 must-visit places in Bali for 2024. So, let's get started. Next, we find ourselves at the breathtaking Tegalalang Rice Terraces. As you watch, make sure the background music is inspiring, adding to the serene beauty of this iconic location. Finally, we arrive at the enchanting Ubud Monkey Forest. Settings, lush greenery, playful monkeys, and a sense of adventure. Let's immerse ourselves in this vibrant habitat. Seminyak Beach. Where the golden sands meet the azure waves. It's a haven for sun-seekers and surfers alike. You can spend your day lounging under the sun or riding the perfect waves. And, as the sun sets, the beach transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub. Truly, a must-visit spot in Bali. Mount Batur, the majestic volcano that offers a breathtaking sunrise trek. Imagine starting your hike in the early hours of the morning, surrounded by the cool, crisp air. As you reach the summit, you're rewarded with a panoramic view of the caldera and Lake Batur. It's an experience that combines adventure with awe-inspiring natural beauty. Tanah Lot Temple, an iconic sea temple perched on a rock formation. This sacred site is not only a place of worship, but also a stunning location to witness the dramatic interplay between land and sea. As the tides rise, the temple appears to float on the water, creating a mesmerizing scene. It's a perfect blend of spirituality and natural wonder. Nestled off the southeastern coast of Bali, Nusa Penida is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Its rugged cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and breathtaking views make it a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Whether you're snorkeling with manta rays or hiking to the stunning Kelingking beach, Nusa Penida promises an unforgettable experience. At the Bali Safari and Marine Park, you can embark on a journey through the animal kingdom. This incredible park is home to over 100 species, including rare and endangered animals. From the majestic Sumatran tiger to the playful elephants, every encounter is a chance to learn and be amazed. The park also offers exciting shows and educational programs, making it a perfect destination for families. Tirta Empul Temple, with its sacred spring, is a place of spiritual significance and serene beauty. For over 1,000 years, Balinese Hindus have come here to cleanse themselves in the holy waters. As you walk through the temple grounds, you can feel the deep sense of history and devotion that permeates the air. It's a peaceful retreat where you can reflect and connect with Bali's rich cultural heritage. As the sun sets over Jimbaran Bay, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colours. Known for its tranquil beaches and seafood restaurants, Jimbaran Bay offers a perfect end to a day in Bali. Imagine dining on freshly caught fish while listening to the gentle waves. It's a place where you can relax, savour the flavours of Bali, and soak in the natural beauty that surrounds you.